Hi, I'm Michelle Phillips of Codefetti, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Astra WordPress theme and the Gutenberg block editor to build a website. The Starter Templates plugin offers you a library of starter sites to help you get your site up and running quickly. All you need to do is replace the demo content and images with your own. It's really easy. So let's get started. Go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, Themes, Add New, and then in the search themes type in Astra. Click on Astra, click Install. Once installed, activate the theme. Next, we want to install the Astra Starter Templates plugin. From the dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and in the Search Plugins box, type Starter Templates. Click Install Now and activate. Now we have the library of starter sites, and we can go look through that library and discover which website we'd like to use as our starter site. First, you'll want to decide on the page builder you'll be using. As I said earlier, I highly recommend and will be working with the WordPress block editor Gutenberg in this demo. But you can also choose from Beaver Builder, Elementor, or Breezy if you're more comfortable working with them. From the dashboard, go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, select Starter Templates, C Library, and then choose the builder you're using. We're using Gutenberg, and it'll bring up a library of starter sites from which to choose. Once you've decided, click on the starter site you want. At this point, you have three options. You can preview the photographer site. That'll take you to the Astra demo site. You can check it out and make sure it's what you want. Or you can import the complete site, or just import the home template. So since we want to build a complete site, I'll click the Import Complete Site button, and you'll be presented with a list of options. I recommend that you keep the default options checked so that your site looks exactly like the starter site that you've chosen. Click the Import button and then wait. It might take a few minutes, so just be patient. Don't close your browser window. It's almost done. Okay, the import was successful. Now I'll click the View Site button, and there you go. You've got a complete website ready to be customized. I hope this tutorial's been helpful to you. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll answer as soon as possible. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you the next time.